want to touch it. So we have to kind of edit up some of the language in there. Remember, can you believe it? True stories from around the world that make you wonder if anything can really go so for true. Now, the topic we're upon this week and next week is lesbian mix-up. Much to the chagrin of some lesbians here in Jamaica who have all kind of problem with me. I don't have any problem with them. In fact, people burn me out all the while because I do not support any form of argument or imperative where say you must go beat up people because them gay. If them gay enough for them business that, leave them alone and make them do them thing and whatever. I think it's a waste of time to go chat, oh yeah, kill gay people and beat gay people and all that. I think it's foolishness. Do them thing. You understand? But that's the irony of it, cross. At one level, then cuss me and threaten me and this and that because they say me make gay people attack and them say me not come out and say gay people are dead because I don't believe in that, whatever. So that side they cuss me. Then some of the lesbians themselves, them cuss me. Because then claim say, well, the feminist woman or whatever, and claim say, me make idiot woman talk. Them arrogant if you really think about it, Them bright, or them alone for them on radio or whatever. But that's how it goes, Give thanks to you, man. I roll very well. Hear that one I know, that I want to touch it. Lesbian grows male sexual organ in bed. Question sign. Lesbian grows male sexual organ in bed. Question sign. And them drama you go and cross the world, Oh, no, I want to sell for the car. I gotta keep it real. I make it. It happened in a place. Allegedly occurred in a place named Papa Jesus Bulawayo. Well, Bulawayo. Okay. They said the right pronunciation. It's Bulawayo in Zimbabwe, in Africa. Bulawayo. German. You're going like you know about Bulawayo before, Yeah, you know about Bulawayo. No. I stand corrected, sir. Okay. Bulawayo in Zimbabwe in the continent of Africa. A lesbian who claimed to have been impregnated by another woman has given birth to a child with a tooth, disparate arms, and a crooked leg. 21-year-old fun guy Manico. Oh, God. Oh, she could have that name there, yo. Oh, she could be a lesbian and have that name, the fun guy. Yo, it's almost like, this is poetic. Fungai. Fun guy Manico has named her child, a boy, Fanuel Dube, the surname of her lesbian partner, Elnet. You cannot make this stuff up, man. This is what I'm saying. Reality is stranger than fiction. Again, in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, over there in Africa, a lesbian who claimed to have been impregnated by another woman has given birth to a child with a tooth, disparate arms, and a crooked leg. 21-year-old fun guy Manico has named her child, a boy, Fanuel Dube, the surname of her lesbian partner, Elnet. Now, the following, I'm going to fix up the following for the purposes of radio. But I want to still understand what am I saying at the story. The couple claimed that Dube, that is the lesbian who's more upon the man's side, the butch, grows that thing that men have when they are together doing their thing. So, when I understand what I'm saying. Me have to kind of fix up the language with them say, but on a hear what them say. Them say when them do them thing, at that time it come, that thing they come on. But voila. But which disappears after being intimate.
Oh Jesus.
So it does come for the thing happen and it listen, there's more to it. Dube claims to have no recollection of her sex tryst with Manico, as she would be in a trance, which she believes quote, is a result of mystical powers that bedevil her family, end quote, the Sunday News reported. Translated, she's saying that when she ever sat out her girlfriend, some farmer who have a power where them family are suffer from, take her over to the point where she don't even know herself. And that allowed that part of her body to grow that thing. That allow her to go at backside. I know. Listen, 2 weeks ago, Monica delivered a healthy baby boy, but was stunned to discover the tot had a single tooth, uneven arms, and a warped leg. A local Inyanga, which is a traditional healer, says it is possible the ancestors gave the couple the baby to punish them for violating the rules of nature. Medical experts, this is where science coming now. Medical experts have dismissed Monica's claims that Dube could be the father of her child as nonsense. So the doctor them a say, a lie Monica tell, but her lesbian partner grow the thing and a that breed her. The doctor them a say nonsense. She's telling lie. She probably not telling lie too because Dube she probably a born Dube with a man, you know. And don't want Dube know too. She know Dube probably have a clot up or what's it not. She said Dube is really you do it, you know. Because when you do it, you don't even know what you do. If I laugh, I went up nationwide carpet. Anyway. And challenged by the Sunday News to take a DNA test, Monica stormed, "Why should we go for a DNA test? When your parents gave birth to you, did they go for tests? Obviously they did not, because your father knew without doubt you were his child. It's the same with Elnet. She knows that the baby is hers. In fact, the baby looks like her. He has her eyes and nose. If Elnet and her relatives want a DNA, they are welcome, but they will be disappointed with the results, because she's assuming that the results would reveal that Elnet Dube, a woman, would be the father of the child. These are the crazy things that are going out there in the world. And of course, they are quite complex and terribly complicated, you know, with respect to the realm of sexuality here, and in particular, lesbianism. But you should know, though, you remember when, who did watch, what that movie that name was Steven Spielberg do with the dinosaur them again? The first one, no? Jurassic Park. Do you remember there was an interesting part in Jurassic Park when they met the dinosaur them and them said them are going to make them all like them, that's all female, something like so that they don't procreate. And then at one point, they found out that procreation was taking place, and the scientists made some argument along the lines of, supposedly, you know, there is some credible science along those lines. Like, well, I don't know if it is theoretical. I'm unqualified to speak on this convincingly, authoritatively. But there is some kind of scholarship that alleges that this whole thing about reproducing, it will happen at any cost, even when human beings try to control it and prevent it. You know, they say that reproduction will eventually occur nonetheless. That's just an interesting thing. But I believe that Maniko, fun guy, I think she's lying here. I think Maniko I tell lie right there.
She told booming at the last part.
Yeah, and when them get the DNA test, she get defensive and I run up on Maniko I take her man. But what a with all due respect though, she's a lesbian. That's me don't know. You think I want to ban them give her name there? I should change her name because if she changed her name, I'm only surprised because I find it interesting that she's a lesbian and a controversial one at that, and she has that name, Fun Guy, Man Nico. It sounds. Or that's why them say sometimes you have to be careful where you name your pitney them, because it will cause all kind of. No, a serious thing that a serious thing that because anybody that grew up in that school knows that they pit them with the strength near them meet it. Then go through it and it affect them self-esteem and personality, or it can be for the positive, you understand? Big up on you to me, at school here, Raymond, Bowman, Doman. Right? And with all due respect to all my brethren, general degree with him last name, but and all them thing there. You know, some of the people them go through it. Me I be careful when I pity them when I get them, because we don't want them go through it. And big up the youth where we know go school with him first name Donovan and him last name's pronounced Shite. But spell S-H-I-T-T. 2T. We take a break right now. News, Papa Jesus. Well, on that one! Okay, we up in the mix-up, we up in the sitting, you know? I only don't know so what topic continues to be. Lesbian mix-up or any other mix-up on have, any other mix-up on have. And think, big up the penguins of Madagascar, my cartoon that. And I love watch cartoon. And to the people that text it for me. On another sense, you know, the person who not like me, as somebody who watch cartoon regularly. Understand? Anyway, no, penguins of Madagascar. Mad. CNN, me not care nobody want to say. CNN, mad. True TV. Shot. Me not care nobody want to say. With all them police chase the world's dumbest people and all them show the mad something like True TV. It's entertaining. It's just absolutely ridiculous. Yeah. Spike. I like Spike. Oprah Winfrey about her own cable channel. It name own. Anyhow, Oprah come out here and say, I listen to Ragashanti live.
Everybody would have run in, you know?
It done.
Shell.
Well, the dirty people that want to criticize me, I say, well, he has always had potential, you know. Well, Oprah brings a different interpretation to Raga, so now I can. All right, here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Raga?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Greetings, Raga. We can't believe we are talking to you.
You are. What's up?
Raga,
Yeah.
I love you like that.
No say a word, man. Blessings here.
Man, me say me see your picture in a one green and Raga in a one blue shirt and one black pants. And me not tell like me have to cut you out and put you on one ball hang up in my house. Every time we pick them walking at the house, them see you on it.
Okay. Oh, you mean the star?
Yes,
star.
the star. You look so sexy.
Thank you. That's really nice of you.
Nice, yes. And my daughters, them love you. But it's not that I really call you about.
Right.
One time I was in my house and I used to have this friend, you see?
Yeah.
And the girl come at my house and say, God, you may have on one blouse and one panty. The girl said, wow, I say you're sexy. So me turned around and said,
well on. You know, say, when if anything come juicy where you talk, but you have to code it up, all right?
Yes, man.
All right, go on.
Listen every day, man.
All right, go on.
Me tell her, say, the girl tell me about how me so sexy. So me say to her, say, what are we they watch, woman? Yeah, no, to me say, boy, she said to me, she called me name and say, you ever see? Raga?
Yeah.
The girl said to me, say, if me ever watch the blue movie, them on the TV, with the whole heap of girl, them.
Right.
So me turned to her and said, no, me never watch them yet. But me see other things here, no. Me have one man, me hold in it and make you watch it. So she the other day she come with it and me yard and she put it in my DVD and me watch me and her.
You and her watch it? You and her watch the blues?
Yes, me and I watch the blues.
Yeah.
And me say me catch me kicks in Raga. And
Hold on. When you say you catch your kicks, like when you watch it, a piece of heat take you down.
yes, like a piece of heat a kicks in Raga.
Yeah.
So me say,
You can't say that part there, man. You can't say it, so man. I'm not telling you, say you have to code it up. When not easy, you know, one say, yeah, man, I listen to you every day, man. I don't have to code anything, but and then you come out, consider. So weird. So once you make you watch it thing and you feel a heat, you know, and look like say she notice say you feel the heat, you know. She come over and you have to code it up. So let us just
she come over and touch my private top part then. And then me,
okay, yeah, okay. Go on, talk. And then
I may tell her if she be advice and she say, just easy man, just know how to relax.
So hold on. You can't really, them not allow you to go in detail and tell her, but basically she start touching you upon her, whatever. When you tell her to behave herself, you didn't flash her and her get up, you never get up.
No, me never get up.
You never get up.
No.
You never get up. Okay.
No, right.
Okay. And then kinda nobody give you the details about the actual, you know, whatever. But go and talk now.
But me tell her, like I said, from there, so man, me tell her, say, make me feel different. Me feel different because me never have nobody who ever do that to me yet.
Hold on there. So did something eventually happen?
Yes, something eventually happened, but me never do it a second time because me not really in a lesbian thing.
Okay, but so she give you a fix up then?
Yes, she give me a fix up and me never forget.
She give you a fix up where you say you never forget?
No, sir.
So and you say from that time, what go on your head, you know?
From that time now, me start to move amongst her and everything, and she come like she want to play the man and me play the woman.
Okay.
So therefore, from there, so she mind me children, them, but me not really move on her with me children, them, and with me children, them.
Oh, so she give money now and I mind you picking them?
Yes, and I mind me picking them. And me and tell her like Raga, she good, me tell her, man. But me not really.
She good, don't she? Really good, don't?
Yes, man, she good. Me never know if a woman different some more than man. You
tell me say she does really good. It mash up your head, don't?
Mash up me head, Raga. Me tell her say I know. Me say every time me see her come like something, me run through me, Raga.
Anytime you see your body catch a fire, don't?
Catch a fire, me tell her, man.
So let me ask you something. You regret say you didn't do it?
No, me never regret.
You don't regret say you do it?
No, me not regret because me want to feel that way in myself all the time.
Okay. What you mean all the time you didn't want to feel? Explain that.
Like some things a man wouldn't do to you, me that me really want to experience it.
Oh, you didn't want to... Okay.
Yes, and then she experienced that with me, so I couldn't really let her go.
Okay, so you didn't really want to experience anything there for a long time, and she make you experience it, so true that you not let her go.
No, me not.
So when I did go and meet and do the things them, don't?
Yes, man, I mean, how do you, man?
Oh, but, so when did you say one time you do it? What you mean? You mean just she one?
Yes, just she alone. Me not really carry it on because she start off in the time.
As she start off. So she a give you a regular fix up now and a mind you picking them and them thing there. So she
what you mean?
Oh, you okay. But you say you're not, but you do the things them regularly with her now and she a mind you and you say she go like the man and you go like the woman. But you saying you're not a lesbian?
No, but otherwise let me go out like on the street and me feel like one woman act like a man come like more and go after them.
Oh, okay. So when you touch the road, anytime you see the butch woman, them is like you're attracted to them.
Yes, and sometimes I feel like we dress up like man and walk like man and everything.
What you say that again?
Sometimes I feel like we walk like man, like dress up like man and have my clothes on my bottom and everything.
Okay. Like sometimes you just feel like you want to take on like a man. Well, I could just do a time signal. Give me 1 second there, 1 second. Yes, so you say sometimes you feel like you want to dress up like a man and wear your clothes like man and walk like man and yeah.
Yes, sir, because It's on the years when she just come like say she put this man size on me like she broke me out.
Like she broke you out?
Yeah, like she want me to turn a lesbian because every time I see a girl dress up like a man, that is what come in my head.
Okay, so you say she like, so you sleep with her, no, she mind a pitney and thing, but you say she go on like she want to turn you into a lesbian.
Yes, and that is what I don't want because I love men. I love your sexy body. I see you every day on my ball.
Oh, you love my sexy body. And you love men. Right. And you love men. But probably you are a bisexual. Would you have a problem with being a bisexual? You love man and woman?
Yeah, I love man and woman, but I prefer man.
You prefer man?
Yes, I prefer man.
You're sure, like, in terms of, like, when you see, when a man turn you on and when a woman turn you on, like, which one you think stronger?
I believe the lady stronger.
The what?
The lady stronger.
The lady stronger. So, if the lady stronger, all you mean say you prefer man? It sounds to me like you may prefer woman.
Okay.
What you think?
I prefer ladies too.
No, it sounds to me like, okay, it sounds to me like you think that the right thing to do is to prefer man. But when you get the feelings, it sounds like what you said to me, like the strongest feelings when you get is for woman.
Yes.
I saw it go?
Yes.
Okay. I remember ask you a different way.
Yeah.
Woman, you enjoy woman more than you enjoy man?
Yeah, with her.
With her, with she?
Yeah.
Okay. So what this mean for you then in your life and all them things? What you want right now in terms of who you want there with and stay with?
I prefer a woman because when I deal with the woman, she carry me and think on give me. She know if she treat me just like how a man that treat a woman.
You prefer the woman because she know if she treat you just like how a man that treat a woman?
Yes.
Well, not my paraphrase because it sounds to me like you're saying you prefer the woman because she know how to treat you the best way that a man should be treating a woman.
Yeah.
Okay. So then you're going to be a lesbian then?
Might be.
Eh?
You go and go in between because I'm not going to just do with she alone.
You're not going to, who else you going to do with?
I'm going to have my baby father still.
Oh, you have a baby father right now?
Yes.
Okay, but your baby father know what you do with she?
No, he no know what me do with she because when he know there, she me turn too.
Oh, when your baby father there, she your turn?
Yeah.
Okay, but he never see you with her yet?
Yes, see me with her, but he don't know because we don't act no different.
Oh, so when him see you in a female, you just one of your woman friend that run you, don't you?
Yes, that him a friend.
And him don't know, say she has sat you out and get the fix up regularly and thing, don't?
Yes.
Okay.
And when him come bounce me and he feel like she decided me I may kiss him or the way that she a begs.
She no begs?
Yes, she a big so right.
Okay, because she know if you hold on the thing and whatever, because she don't want him know either, don't it?
Yes.
Oh, see. That's so you juggle the thing.
That's what I said.
Oh, that's what he said.
Yeah.
All right.
I love you here, because you make talk station, there station, hear me?
All right then. Okay then.
At 2 days, I not get to hear you. I beat up the radio and they cuss the radio. Yes, because I want to hear you, so respect here.
All right, respect and blessings, man. You take care here.
I love you here.
All right, baby, man. You take care.
All right, yeah.
Here we go. Mixup An Blenda. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yes, good afternoon.
And how are you?
I am doing quite well, you know. I'm blessed. I have a lot to be thankful for, and I give thanks.
Okay. I have a lesbian mix-up with a politician man.
A lesbian mix-up with a politician man?
Definitely, that was a threesome.
Box me in my face with it and tell you. But you just code up where you code up here.
Okay.
Yeah.
I used to live in Kingston.
Voila, your phone a break up.
Are you hearing me?
Yeah, but go respect the reception good there. Yeah.
Okay. I used to live in St. Elizabeth, so I was working at a bar where I met a politician man.
Okay, working at a bar where you meet a politician man, right?
Right. And the politician was in love with me. And I had a friend, I met a friend there. And she started to talk to me and so forth. Anyway, the man gets in the middle and saying like, whatever.
Right.
So on my day off, we went to a private beach in St. Elizabeth because nobody was on that beach at all. It was a location where not much houses or anything is there, so it was just a private.
Right.
And he took us there. And Raga.
What do you mean they took us? When you say they took us there, what do you mean? Who? He took you and your other friend is a girl, right? Is that woman?
Right.
All right. So him take the two owner there, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And Raga, what took place, it wasn't anything pretty.
Yeah, it never pretty.
No, it never pretty. And moreover, it was a married man.
And the politician is a married man.
Of course.
Okay.
A highly respectable politician.
It's a highly respectable politician.
Definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Chris Cross, come here for a second. A highly respectable politician. And what go on the beach now? 1 second. Stay on the line. One. Yeah, we're back on thing, you know. I just had to talk to the caller for a minute and so forth. So him bring the two on up on the beach and then go on with a piece of sitting up on the beach, don't it?
Yes, brother.
And this is a well-known politician who is married and him bring you and your girlfriend on the beach and go on with a whole heap of something there, don't it?
Yes, brother.
What?
And another time, so after leaving there, I didn't see him for quite some time. So one day I was in the process of going abroad.
Right.
And I met him in the departure lodge. And he was just staring at me as if he didn't know that it was. And I don't call him or anything. Because if me did to call him, I want something to say to him. Hi, whatever, what's up? I wouldn't say another word.
No, but hold on. This is a politician, and just so you know, you told me who he is. But this is a well-known, powerful politician, right? And he was in love with you, bring you and your friend to the beach, had a threesome sexual encounter, and where you say it is what go down, it never pretty. And then him see in the airport and go like him not know you?
Definitely.
You sure? Or him finna know you?
That was when I was pretty young, and I saw him sometime in 2007.
Yeah.
When I was going away, so I gained a few pounds.
Right.
And, yeah.
Okay, do you think that is because you gain a few pounds why him never recognize you?
I don't know, because he was staring at me, and really as a fact, I didn't even realize that it was him. It was afterward I said, yes, that was that person. It was that person, and then I didn't say anything to him. To be honest, I didn't say anything.
Then hold on. So after you and this powerful politician and going at this threesome on the beach with your friend, after you do that look thing, him never call you back after that one time then?
After 10 times, and I refused.
Oh, so they call you back for you, go back, go do things, don't?
Yes.
And you refuse. But why did he refuse then? Why did he refuse?
That wasn't my style. It was okay, yes, but it wasn't my style. And so, I didn't intend to do it again. Oh,
so you refused because you did in a situation with them, with another woman and him where you just, even though you do it that one time, that you never did really, and something where you did want to continue?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Have you ever done anything like that since?
No.
No.
Never.
So, was that the first time you do it too?
Yes, it was.
So that was the first and the last time you do it?
Definitely.
Don't be honest with me now. When you say, boy, what go down, I think I forgot what you did say. You say, boy, never pretty what go down.
To be honest with you.
You did enjoy it?
Yes.
Okay.
I did.
Okay, but that is great discipline.
But to think about it,
right.
Elsewise,
right. Okay. No, but that is great discipline on your part, because what you're telling me is that you enjoyed it, it was fun, and it feel good. But at the same time, based on your principles, you're saying despite the fact that it did feel good and you enjoy it and it did go on good, that is not the type of thing you want to involve in again.
No.
Okay.
No.
So when this powerful politician who is a married man call you again for you to do the things them again, treat some with another woman and all them something that you just tell him no.
I still do respect him, but then it dropped to certain because, you know, I look up to him more. I respect him more, but then that came into the picture, it kind of dropped. You understand? Because
okay, so you did have a whole heap of a high respect for him. But then after him carry you in, after this married politician, carry you up on the beach down at St. Elizabeth and sort out you and your friend together. Have the two on and thing, because you end up do things and thing with your friend, right?
I didn't do anything with her. He was the one who was doing whatever, and he was like saying.
Okay. But after.
Whatever.
Okay, we understand. No details, you know. Yeah. So you say after that you lose some respect for him, right? That you say?
Yeah.
Okay, interesting.
Because I keep wondering to myself, if he does this, then what else is he doing? So that kind of.
Oh. So yeah, say if you see him on TV and whatever, talk up the things so bossy, but then in a private of them things I might go on with. Where else him could have gone with?
A lot of things are going out there. Well, it's not easy, so
okay.
I just kind of stay away from it and just live.
Okay. But you're all right now, though.
Yeah, I'm good.
You're good, you know. Everything set away and, you know, your life I juggle nice and everything jiggy, right?
Yeah, I juggle nice. I travel once from a time. So,
okay. All right, big up yourself here.
I'm rather keep it locked.
Yeah, man, straight, man. I say, all right, I will say mix up our entertainment, all right? I'm going to reveal the things them and bust out the things them too. You understand? I blessings and respect here.
Same to you.
No wonder they want to get me off our radio. No wonder they want to get me off the radio. Hey! No wonder the bossy people are afraid of me, you know. Some of them probably want to get rid of me because they probably say, you know, it's a matter of time before he finds out my issue. I soon forward. I'm going to the bathroom to release some liquids. TMI. One of them say, Raga, I don't listen to your show, you know. Because I don't have time to listen to your show. And just so you know, it's not really my thing, you know, what goes on your show. But if ever something comes up that involves me, I'd be very grateful for a call. This is a well-known, powerful man, you know. You know, very, you know, like, you know, it reminds me of them old school manageable Englishman. And I'm just saying, I'd appreciate a call, you know.
Play it off smooth.
No, him basically I tell me, say, yo, if someone come in, just give me a link, give me a heads up, I'm going to deal with it. I'm not lie. There are times when some things like that happen. I'm going to be honest with other people. Like when we did I read the email, because Ruth, if I start read about the email, I'm here, and things, enough time things come in, Ruth can't tell you. Enough time things come in about some people where whatever, and we have certain rules. If the mix-up involve children, it could have saucy little more. We'll leave it alone. We'll leave it alone. And people, me not tell no lie. I'm going to be honest with you. Some mix-up come in with some Dana do. Some things that some Dana do. Done. Bad man and do. And whatever. I'm not lie. Me tell Ruth, leave it alone. Leave those alone. Mix up coming about some senior police officers. And some police, I mean, a bad boy murderer police, them not care nobody want to say. And when them come in, leave those alone. Sometimes Ruth will say, what about this one? Leave it alone. But now I lie, I tell you the truth. Sometimes mix up coming about certain politicians who know rule certain way. But when I hear that talk, yeah, some politicians then cool, but some of them then cool And we have ears to the ground and we know who will do the things. Right? There's some politician hear me. Hey, whenever I notice when me a joke about politician, a certain names me call. And people who know me and know says foolishness me deal with and them cool. When they say when they laugh off of me. Don't hear me make fun of Uncle Dizzy all the time. Not a problem. JLP. When you hear me make fun of Bobby Pickersgill all the time. Not a problem. My friend PMP. Right? When you hear me make fun
Raja.
Roger Clark all the time. Not a problem. Because them man, them securing on themselves and them understand humor. There's certain other people man not joke about them. Because them are hot-head. Them are mad-head. I mean, no fair fact say them do the things to other people, so I will start them from do it to me. You understand? And then certain other people, I'm afraid of them. If them want to war me, them war me. I'm going to war them back. If I links them, say I links me say. If I straight up them, say I straight up me say. If them want to get creative and get strategic and bounce it that way, they will bounce it that way they too. I think you see. To the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Lesbian Mixup and the other sample Mixup owner of out there. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Yeah.
Hey, Raga, how you doing?
What's up?
Hey, it's not really a mix-up still, but due to the fact that you're on the lesbian thing, right now, me never do it before, and me feel like me da do it.
Why? Why you feel like you da do?
Me just feel that kind of connection to a woman. And
How long have you been feeling this?
quite a while.
Like for years?
About 4 years, but I never get a chance to explore it because I'm afraid.
You're afraid. Do you see it as something wrong?
Dog it hard I when teeth can manage.
Oh, that one they go?
Dog it hard I when teeth can manage.
Dog it hard I when teeth can manage.
Yeah.
Okay.
You understand? So therefore,
if I your thing, I your thing. If I something you want to try, something you want to try, and it not necessarily have to be that it work.
I want a rich lesbian woman. Me want.
You want a rich lesbian woman?
Of course.
Why she have to be rich?
Not really in terms of rich in cash, but you know, I mean, good qualities, and you know, not the vulgar type, not the worry type, and all of that.
Okay, but you could have said that without using the word rich.
Okay.
You could have said a sophisticated lesbian woman you want.
Most definitely. I'm not a vulgar person. I'm not a loud talker.
Okay. Or perhaps you're saying that a wealthy lesbian woman would be one that would be sophisticated and have a certain kind of bearing that you would be. You don't want a rate and a racha sitting or whatever.
No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't, my darling.
Okay.
But Raga,
Yeah.
what I want to talk to you about.
Yeah.
Why the blooming hell? These people don't leave you alone.
No,
I heard this. I don't even know how to put him or what to say about him this morning on another talk show. Oh, he don't listen to Raga. Oh, his child can't do this. I wonder if he knows what his child is doing. I wonder if he knows when his daughter takes the bus or the taxi what she's doing. And I wonder if he knows what his son is doing at the back of the university. Huh?
What? You're just saying it hypothetically, right?
Yes.
Okay. No. I know as the things them hear about my phone blew up, so me hear same call. With all due respect, we can't say it. I think I'm out in the call. I'm out here the one day yet.
Something. I think that the talk show was like 11 or 10 o'clock somewhere there.
Yeah.
I think it's essential.
Yeah. Somebody then tell me same call and I talk up whatever. Me say the host just tell him say listen. There are a lot of people.
I love how the host just slam him up and said that's parental business.
Yeah, me. I said the host give him a fix up on this. Do away with him, man.
I love the way the host deal with him this morning.
Yeah.
And just said, listen, that is parental business. So if they can't control their child, and who's going to leave a 5-6-year-old child unprotected? Isn't that a parental issue?
Right.
Definitely.
And the point I'm making is that if you watch TV, regular, there's all kind of little things that come on the TV available on the cable and whatever that I don't say anything wrong with them, but if people say something wrong with them and think that it's their choice to say.
But Raga, these people are the same people who is talking about helping children to be educated, right? And these little
No, hold on. Listen to me. You see, most of them people who talk about children, trust me upon this, and talk about get to and uplift, them not doing nothing for them children or nothing for get the people. Trust me upon that one. Them not doing anything for them.
Just sit on their butts and confuse other people and criticize and trust me.
Me can't list out some of them name and thing, and them not doing anything for the same people that them talk about.
Raga, I have known about. I have seen some politicians that I have known very well.
Yeah.
And they come on the ear.
Yeah.
And they come and they say this and they say that. And when them hearse carry them stuff go all part of St. Elizabeth and all parts of Mandeville. Those are the things they need to cut out instead of living on your name.
Okay.
You understand? People like you uplift we who was once a grassroots now until we can turn somebody.
Okay, but could just do a time signal, right?
Sure.
Yes. Hey, yeah, man, welcome back up in our sentence. Back to a caller. Yes, but caller, I just want to remind you, that the while they're uplifting occasions on this show, the primary objective is not any self-empowering program. It's a mix-up program, it's a joke program, it's an entertainment program. So that is a misconception they have. That it's not intended to be exclusively an uplifting program, but there are uplifting elements to it. But the primary objective, the primary purpose is for it to be about entertainment. It's about laughing, and then we learn and then we grow. You understand? And I make no apology for that. But some of them would have you believe that radio should only be for upliftment and whatever, as if something is wrong with radio being for some type of humor. And in this case, kettle humor. I don't see anything wrong with that.
I don't see anything wrong with it, Raga. Because look at it this way. I grew up without both parents.
Right.
I could be one of the world's greatest notorious of something. I could be a thief. I could be just about anything that is bad.
Right.
But you know how the ghetto is, because I heard you talking about East Queen Street with you. We used to live up at Fitzbartley when I pay a weekly rent.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay,
so you used to go to see Church Crossway, the road there. You understand? The church by East Queen Street, I used to go there as well.
Oh, okay.
And I had my two boys back then.
Right.
And I used to send my two boys there, and I used to work up a Cargill Avenue. I used to work in a bar. And lock up my picnic them in the house. And go work and all them things and come in and until I could excel. I went to school when I was 19.
See.
Because I didn't have anybody to send me to school. And I went to Jamal at 19. When I walk into Jamal, everybody turn around and say, oh, this is a pretty girl I walk in a Jamal.
Okay.
Because I hear the weird on my shoulder, I look good like, whoa.
Okay.
You understand? Straight nose and everything nice. Only thing that wrong with me at the time, I had knock knees, but my hips bring out my knock knees.
Oh, okay.
You understand? And
when you say your hips balance out your knock knees?
Yeah, man, because, the knock knee thing and... You see, if it's straight with a knock knee, look so look good enough.
Okay.
But if you have hip and round about, they stand up and you have the flat tummy and thing, You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You look good.
All of that just overshadow the knock knee.
Definitely.
Sure. All right, a blessings and respect. We are about some other call here.
So them to leave you alone, man, before they make we have to...
No. They will not stop because it's not within their capacity to stop unless they're forced to stop. So they won't do it by choice.
Because they are just so illiterate.
Yeah, they are. And then think them bright, you see?
Oh, dear. People like me who's far way brighter than them.
All right, let's say a word here.
From Jamal.
All right, a blessings and respect here.
All right, my darling. You enjoy your afternoon.
Will do. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Mixup and Blenda was right. So with me, the king of Mixup, Ragashanti, Lesbian Mixup with the partner for have any other sample, shell down Mixup on our rinse. Sit down. Here we go to the phone lines. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Afternoon, Raga.
Good afternoon.
Hey, you said I called earlier.
Which one?
She said she never been with a woman yet, but she don't want to try me.
She would try, yeah.
Hey, if she look good, she can call me,
Okay, you want link you?
Yeah.
That's the one we're just calling, right?
Yeah.
Okay. You're a lesbian?
Straight lesbian.
Okay. I mean, but how long have you been a lesbian? How old are you now? Just your age. Just say.
24.
Yeah, 24. I know. How long have you been active as a lesbian?
3 years.
3 years. Okay. Have you ever been with a man?
Yes.
Okay. Like, at what age?
Around 17, 18.
Around 17, 18. And then at some point you transitioned into being a lesbian 100%?
Right.
Okay, so you're not with man anymore?
No, not again. We'll never go back there.
You will never go back there. Some people don't understand how a woman can transition from, being with a man and saying she's exclusively and totally a lesbian. Kind of explain to them how you come about. What made you realize that you're a lesbian and you don't want man anymore? What did happen?
I'm not really having about growing up always know that interested in females.
Yeah.
Growing up in a church and thing.
Yeah?
Yeah. But after a while I realized I don't have no feelings, not turn me on or anything.
Say that again?
Realized after a time.
Yeah?
Man, them not turn me on. Can't say them a past. Usually admire them most of the time. Them think they not turn me on.
So at what age you start realize a woman turn you on? At what age you did start realize?
From high school days.
From high school?
Yeah.
Okay. And that time you don't ever start being active sexually yet, right?
No.
So you did find women attractive before you even start doing anything?
Yeah.
So when you start with man and whatever, you never enjoy that?
For a while.
For a while?
Yeah.
And then what happened then? What happened make you don't want man anymore? What happened?
Nothing really happened. I just don't find them attractive. I just can't develop any feelings.
Okay. You just don't feel no attraction or any excitement with men. It's just women you feel it with.
Right.
Okay, and that has been the case for all these years right now, don't it?
For real, yeah.
Okay, so do you have a partner right now?
Yes, I do.
You have a partner, but you just say if this lady, you give your partner born, you born your partner with other woman? Talk it through.
No, I'm just a joker and tell my friend and say I call and tell her still, but just a joker.
What's that? You say what?
No, I'm just a joker.
You're a joker with everything what you say so far?
No, just a thing about giving her a number.
Oh, but giving her the number, you just a joker about the part there alone?
Yeah, because I love my baby.
You love your baby?
Yeah.
That's the woman who you're there with?
Uh-huh.
She older than you or are you older than her?
I'm a few years older.
You're a few years older than her?
Yeah. Okay.
Are you butch or as you say femi?
I don't like the term butch. I'm a stud.
You're a stud? Oh, poor
Yeah.
G. Hey, you say yo. Why you say a pipe? You say you're a butch, you're a stud.
Right.
You know, easy, you know. That means you roll in what I'm referring to as more like the man in the relationship, them, don't you?
Right.
Okay. But you're comfortable being a woman who roll like a man, right?
Yeah.
You never feel like you're totally a man yet and you're in a woman body?
No, man.
Eh?
No.
No, okay, all right. And you're happy right now?
Very.
You're in love and happy?
Yes, totally.
Totally happy. All right. So what you have to say to the people them out there now who say lesbian for dead and them say born sad or whatever and all them thing there and whatever. What you have to say to them?
Yeah, they might come back with this thing from Leviticus. To ask them if them say Jesus ever mentioned anything like that in the New Testament.
No, but Reverend Al Miller, he had when we spoke to him yesterday, he anticipated that reaction and in fact said that they always come up with that. And he also quoted scripture from the New Testament that he says demonstrate that the Bible both in the Old and in the New Testament, is very clear in its opposition and its denunciation of lesbianism and homosexuality. So he did quote scripture from the New Testament and things like that, What you have to say about that?
I understand, so we live the life. Them go and live for them life.
Part of our role right here, so it's to make you know the things them. Make you know the things, make you hear some different perspectives of things that are going on. That's why when I found an attack of the things them on Ian Bowen show, religious attack, me says foolishness on attack. I like religious attack and I think you must watch it because religious attack exposes because somehow don't have a look at woman mentality, Like say, the whole world of phone look at woman and the whole world of phone gully and thing. And it's a complex, complicated world out there and extremely diverse, representing very different worldviews, cosmologies, and different interpretations of things. And one of the things one must learn to develop is tolerance of differences and cease thinking that your way, your unidimensional outlook on life should be the only way that people should traverse through this world, which is just so complicated and complex and things like that. You understand? So some of them are uncomfortable with them talk and we are going and things, but at the very least, I ask you to open your minds and think, and I'm not telling you if I agree with anything, Disagree with one, if one say, on done with lesbianism and homosexuality, then fine, all on the thing. But we just need to know what's going on out there. And that me say. You understand? Yo, hold that break. I time for no February. Yeah? You sure? Okay, hold that break. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Lesbian Mixup and the other sample Mixup. Send on hello.
Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Hi, Raga.
What's up?
What's up?
They are all our vibes,
Yeah, King Julie me said to the world.
Who?
Penguins of Madagascar.
Yeah, King Julia. King Julia there yet, no?
Yeah.
Yo, Penguins of Madagascar are a real proper cartoon. Big up all of the grown-up people and the adults them who love cartoon, and that we say, when a shame our thing. The Penguins of Madagascar, them a four little gangster, them,
Yeah, man.
At them set talk,
Yeah, man, crazy thing.
So
anyways, I have no lesbian mix-up, but I have a different type. I have a dopey mix-up.
Send it on, man. Send it on.
All right, I work for a well-known man. Everybody knows there's a man in Jamaica. Everybody.
Yeah.
He have 2 yards, he have a town yard, and he have a country yard.
Yeah.
All right, I work at a country yard.
Yeah.
You see the country yard, it's full of dopey.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I started working here in the early part of the year.
What you mean the country yard full of dopey? Wait.
Well, yeah, when I said dopey, I mean dead people spirit.
Then what evidence you have for that? What happened for make you say?
All right, I'm going to tell you now.
Uh-huh.
All right, when me retire from work and go in my quarters,
yeah.
Note, I am not a domestic helper.
Uh-huh.
But I work. Yeah?
Yeah.
All right.
Well, you're not a domestic helper, but you work?
I work it's a different work, but this is not a helper work. It's not a helper kind of work.
But a straight up.
Maybe I don't want to tell what.
No, okay, all right.
I don't want to be identified.
Right. So you have your good job then where you do different, right?
All right, yeah.
Mm.
All right. So when I go home, I have my quarters. When I leave from work and go there, I notice when I wake up in the night, I always see somebody side of me on the bed.
Okay.
When I really, really like rub my eyes and look, me not see nothing again. I notice this for a few nights well. All right.
Mm-hmm.
One weekend, we decide to invite one of my family down here.
Mm-hmm.
So me put her on the bed, one bed. So me put her over the spot to me always see this somebody.
Mm-hmm.
When the hours, not wee hours of the night, no. I scream out.
Yeah.
I say, why somebody up on your head? Raga, so when I look, my auntie are fast asleep on the ground.
Your auntie fast asleep on the ground?
On the ground.
Right? I think it's kind of complicated, though. No?
My explanation to that, I don't put her down there.
The Duppy put her down.
Yeah.
So you believe that Duppy existed straight then?
Yes, because I got my seat with my seat.
You see. You don't believe so probably like you have a little thing where you dream and you wake up and you're still in your dream.
I don't know, dream. Huh? You see, after my ball out and say something that's on your head, she jump up. Right? And she said, oh, Maurice, down here, so she don't know how she reached down there. Right? After that, I hold my throat and like something I hold my throat and I try to remove the thing from my throat.
Uh-huh.
You understand?
Okay. But you survived the place though. You survived the place though.
Well, I am still here.
Okay.
I am still here.
But listen to me, I want you hold on, you know. I want you hold on because I don't, them Duppy, they sound like them will do you the things them too. So when I want you call back and all, I make you know, say, I Duppy bright up with you and prims up by you and all.
No, watch out, Raga, I choose something I tell you. All right, let me tell you, for the man, I get to find out, say, I am brother.
I'm brother of the Duppy, the man.
Him have 2 dead brother.
Oh, see?
We're buried on the land, right?
On the property.
Right. So the first one, you know, the bed that's the older brother. And then the second one, when I describe him to somebody, they say that is the youngest brother. Because 4 brothers of them, 2 living and 2 dead.
Uh-huh.
Right? You see the last one I see. Mm-hmm. I wake up at night. I see my look on me on the bed.
The last Duppy you see my look.
The last one I see, he my look on me.
The Duppy I look on you.
Yeah, and when I wake up, I see him playing. When I describe him to somebody the next day, them say that is exactly how him last brother look.
Yes, we're going to bunk some other call, but if you believe what you believe, then you need to be careful because them Duppy, they look like them are focused on you. Hello? I hope another Duppy cut her off. I hope another Duppy got say, you know, you chat too much. You know, I say you chat too much. Come. Hope another Duppy cut her off right there. So anyway. Bong Sadex caller, good afternoon. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, greeting.
Yeah, man, greetings.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, man. Yes, greetings.
Yeah, man. Yeah, you hear me clear?
Yeah, man. I hear you clear.
Man, Raga, yeah, I see.
Yeah.
I see. First, I get a chance to call the program, but he's a man, when I lie to you, you see the mix-up and blend that thing, I never really depend on them thing there, you know.
See it there.
Yeah, but you see me, you see the topic we are talking about all today?
Yeah.
You see me have to really call in and come get a little input on it still, you see me?
See it there, my kid.
Yeah. Because I have an experience to me about a year ago, Raga.
Yeah.
Right, yo. May I tell you, I never want to talk it, but it happened to me still, you see, Raga.
Yeah.
And you understand me, it's like sometimes people feel like say you want a certain thing, but certain thing just happen to you. You see me, Raga, it happened in a way where it make you want. You just end up having us in that thing there. You see me, I say. It's like, you know, I come home one evening, you see me, Raga.
Yeah.
Seeing, and I come through, you understand me, a popular place. Can't believe even want to call the name still. I come to a popular place, but that place is a place where I feel like, say, a peer thugs deliver them place, you understand me, I go through, me's a man, I mix up with people.
Yeah.
Raga, me's a man, I mix, you see me, I say to you, Raga.
So is a place where you go to where you be a gangster there?
Yeah, I feel like a pure gangster there, them place, Raga. I assure you, see when I go through the place, you understand me? I feel like safe, because you see, man, I talk, some man know, you understand me?
Yeah.
Man, I mix up, a man know, say, man know all the order run, you see me?
Yeah.
So it's like, man, I go through, Raga, I tell you. You know, say, some man approach me, Raga.
Yeah.
Some man approach me. At first, I think I was about 3 of them.
Yeah.
Let me say 2 more come out. You understand me? So I feel like, you know, a man them way, you know, article man them.
Yeah.
You know, so the man them, I fish them, Raga. You know, I fish them, Raga.
The man them are homosexual?
Yeah. Raga, may I tell you the truth?
Them gear. So how you know? So you say them move like bad man, but them are gear.
That me that thing. Let me say, Raga, me don't even want to talk about this.
No, but we are reason, man. We are reason. But what make you conclude to them are fish, them are gear?
How the man them said to me, Raga, car, you want no car. When I time I think a robbery thing.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah.
Right? Because he's a man sometime. You understand me? I walk, I set a man and, you know, we have a thing when we're ready, but we don't have no thing for me. So it's like, me think a robbery thing.
Yeah.
You know, me have my money in my pocket and me I say the man them come down for me in such a way that me I feel like that and me I said to the man them say, yo, my youth, you know. The man them say, yo, you know, say I gotta take it from me, right? Yes or no? So I say, what you mean you take it from me? You know, say I rape the man them want to rape me, Raga.
I rape, but they actually use language to make it clear, say I rape them want to rape you.
Yeah, man. The man them not say it out loud, you know. You understand me?
But you're
man them all hold me somewhere where I never expect all man that want to hold man and tell me say must go around certain place and take off all my clothes.
So
Raga,
what them did I do? Them did talk it through. Them did I hold you upon your private and all them something.
No, me never want them touch me. Push out the man, Raga. We have to Raga.
But when I say them did I read to hold you this one all them.
That me I try to show you, man.
Oh, saying. Yeah. So what you do when them three man come down like gunman and then all and
fight it off now.
Yeah, fight it off.
Make a running on my Raga.
You do what?
I make a run off. You know, say I gun the man them off. Raga, I gun the man them.
You serious?
Try to show you. Yeah, man.
And then what? And then what?
Let me tell you something.
Yeah.
A friend tell me about them things that were happened to them already overseas, but me never know them things that could have happened in a place here. You understand me? I mean, I tell you understand me? Because I'm afraid for my life. Because I tell them, say, oh, I have my family, I tell them certain like thing, I show them also, I have a couple of dollars in my pocket and tell them. And you know, the man, them say, yo, we're not busy with that. You understand me?
I just rape them or I rape you?
I just that them or Raga. You understand me?
Yeah.
Some of them are young youth.
So what happened after that then?
Me I try talk my way out tight. You understand? Me I try talk my way out tight. Raga. Me gonna tell you, this it happened to me over a year ago.
Yeah.
You understand me?
Yeah.
You understand me? But me I show you how some way things can happen to it.
See there?
Change your life, Raga.
But
the long and short is, Raga, me never want to get into the experience what happened to me. But I want to tell you the long and short, you know, say. You know, it did happen still in a Raga. You understand me? It did happen still in a. You understand me?
Them rape you.
Raga, I don't like use them for the Raga. You understand me? You understand me? But it's long and short. You understand me?
Yeah.
Right? So me I show you, them things that can happen to you, you know. You understand me? But it changed my life still in a Raga.
How was it change your life?
Look at Raga, here what now. See me differently. The experience, you see them experience that.
Well, all them people are laughing at the background.
I not know, you know. Some people, you see, me never want, you see them places where me the Raga.
Yeah.
I will for different people. You understand me? Because all a phone call me, all a big writer, so I don't even know them people. One of them places.
Okay.
You understand?
And a real thing you talk, so this happened to you.
Raga, man. You understand me? I love getting to them things. But I just because I hear the woman call and they talk about some little thing. You understand me? You say, we can talk the things Empire program.
Yeah, man.
So I just call in to make you know. You understand me?
Yeah, but when you say change you do, how we change?
You understand me?
How we change you?
Raga, me not consider myself as a fish, you see, Raga, but you kind of know me, kind of do them thing then now. You understand me?
What you mean you kind of do them thing? I don't know you.
Yeah, me not really indulge in it enough, but the experience, it was a nice one. Like, you understand me? No, when me I do it now, because them time there, you understand me? Because me just say, just as cheap, me just deal with that and done. You understand me?
But after that happened to you, when you start doing it by your own?
It's like about 3 months after Raga. I never not check it, you know. Because me never think them way there. You understand? Never think them way there.
Okay.
About 3 months after that.
Then, so when you do it now, you enjoy it?
Now, that me I try share Raga something where the experience good. Raga, you have to try it, man. That me I say.
Who for try what?
Yeah, Raga, man.
No, man, me not try it, you know. Me not try it, you know.
Then Raga.
I know my thing that me not trying it, me not trying. Why you going to tell me for try it? Look where you go try, you go tell me for try it. Why me must try?
You see, me not
me not trying it. I will never try it. It's not my thing. I am not gay. I don't want to be gay. I've never been gay. So don't tell me for try it.
No, me not. No disrespecting, Raga.
Oh, okay.
No disrespect.
But you I joke together, but I serious. Make sure you're serious, you know. I know about to ramp out the thing, you know.
You understand me?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, man, I listen to you, man.
Yeah. Because, what may I say, at the time when it happened,
yeah.
You understand me? It was not a good one. Me not talk about our experience there.
Yeah.
But me just show you how things can happen to you afterward. We just draw you in a thing. You understand me?
Yeah.
Me can explain that experience afterwards.
Yeah.
Me not like the experience that happened before. Me just tell you about that to make you understand. You see?
You are telling me you was raped by 3 men who posed as gangster and thing, and them raped you. And then basically, after you were raped, 3 months after, you start sleep with man and you end up being a homosexual fully, and you enjoy it now. That you say?
Yeah. Basically, that me just want to make you sick.
Are you happy? Are you a happy man right now, comfortable and contented right now?
No. I'll tell you why. I mean, here's some money can make, and I don't see no money I make.
You hear some money can make half hour?
Half of them things. Because I mean, hear about man with them thing and their money thing, but it's not a glamorous life. That me want you know, Raga.
So that's the only thing you say, like the money now make and whatever. But apart from that, you enjoy yourself too.
Yeah, live my life.
Yeah, live your life.
Yeah, live my life.
So you sleep with, you still sleep with a man?
Good like that.
Well, you still.
Them just take off money off away and we now get nothing.
What you say, what?
The woman them. Just pay money them want. Me not pressure myself, you know. Yes, see me, Raga.
So yeah, says the woman never take off money for you and then pressure they reach. Yes, say, man, forget some money too. If
man, I don't want no money. Raga, I just straight things. I just cool like that.
Okay.
I just the experience.
I just the experience.
I just that. Yeah.
No, but it sounds like you have accepted homosexuality as a part of your identity, no?
No, I wouldn't say that. In America, them accept them thing there with them flag thing and what them call themselves flags, you know. And them sitting there.
No, but we have
okay, we don't accept them thing, really. Okay. You understand me? I just an experience.
No, but when you speak about we, you're talking about other people. Me, I talk about you. It sounds to me like you have accepted homosexuality and you're comfortable with it and you enjoy.
No, I'm not going to say that, Raga.
So why you doing it then? Why you still? You just have why?
I'm just say, boy, it just have fun. I just have fun.
So, you must have fun with something that you're not enjoying. You can't say you have fun with something that you're not enjoying.
No, I'm not saying no.
It sounds like you enjoy it, but you don't want to admit say you enjoy.
Well, Raga, I don't want to indulge everybody now, because everybody listen to your program. So I know.
No, but you just tell me, say me if you try it and all them things. So if you're bold enough, you come and tell me, say me if you try it and them something there. Or if you're
a big man. That's why I say me no want. You're a big man, so me can't say you, because we are a big man thing that. But me can't.
So what you mean, say a picnic you know why indulge it? A picnic you know why indulge it, but you tell a big man say him can't try it.
Yeah, because we are a big man.
Well, listen. Me not try it. Me not gay. Me will never be gay.
And your choice.
That is my choice.
I miss something. Every little thing in our life.
Why the backside you mean me could all miss? What you mean me could all miss?
You don't even know.
Well, that is something I going to continue missing.
Your choice, that Raga.
This is my choice, that. I mean, will go and miss it. And I will forever miss it. I have nothing against gay people, what gay people want to do.
Yeah, right.
So you give to man or you take from man or you do both?
Yes. Raga, you see, let me tell you. I don't know if you call it giving, you know, or if you call it receiving or taking. I just say it's an experience. You see me, Raga? It's just a full joy.
Okay. So you still sleep with a man?
Once in a while, Raga.
Once in a while you sleep with a man?
Yeah. Because you don't know, you can't make everybody know, say, you know, you have some good up woman out there where like you still.
No, but what I say, but I'm going to be honest with you. while I don't have a problem with who and be gay and whatever, me have a serious problem with man who sleep with woman and I sleep with man. You know, think that is something you're supposed to stop.
Yeah, but Raga, and a protection thing. This man, me had to talk to one of my sisters, and we had to talk about the protection thing. The protection thing, they in a Raga. They will not deal with the protection.
No, but what I'm saying is that if you sleep with, you can't sleep with man and sleep with woman, and some level you deceive the woman them in a really big way. You know, feel so that a disrespect to the woman them pan a level they were just unacceptable.
Yeah, but we don't know what them out there do too. Cause you see, the caller we talk last, we talk to you.
Yeah.
We don't know if fear man know them thing there too. You see me, Raga?
But it's not the same. Even if me not condone either side, but if a woman there with a man and the woman go sleep with another woman, it is not the same as if a man there with a woman that goes. No, it's not the same. It's not the same. Listen to me. If a man there with a woman and a woman that quietly go sleep with the next woman, it's not the same as if a man go there with a woman and a man they go sleep with the next man. It's not the same.
Raga, me see it as a same. You know why me say the same, Raga? You understand me? Because it's a deception.
It's a deception either way, but me just feel so the man side is just well, anyway, we can't have a different. Listen up. You go on well straight and go through life. We have never got shut the news right now.
All right, we have a call. Let's call me Papa JSC. Can me call you back again on this in a Raga?
All right, sir.
See?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
All right. Rock of ages, cleft for thee. Let me. Yo, I will have break right now. The boss are reading news. Papa Jesus. Yo, we'll forward that thing, but people will have some difference in opinion in our studio and whatever. And this, me, there is a little suspicion in my mind. Said I brother to the scholar and I low up the thing and not go. So some other people I said no, them believe and whatever. But probably, me don't know. Me just my instinct can tell me say him just call and a style the program I want cause all some things that 3 man rape you and no, me don't know.
And not even that. A Jamaica people no gear call and you stay so long on them phone. And then people in the background are giggle like a joke.
Nah man, that's some
some gimmicks are going on there, some man. Yeah man.
So them plan it up
when watch him 2 cents
and
like
keep up some arms house and all them thing that. And big man, if I saw it thing said you may talk and you get your look around and thing, but yeah, I mix up with some entertainment to say, but we keep it real sometimes. So if I really there, so you're there, nobody call back and go on with them foolishness there. Here, and the heights of disrespect that still, you know. And because you hear some people are laughing, you remember, so who that laugh right back?
Yeah, man.
Any man could have talked about them things there and hear people
laugh. Like myself, yo, some people are drawn near to me.
Yeah.
Want to talk about something so sensitive.
And people so close, they don't go
behind and laugh about it.
Something right about him, man.
I feel, something sincere there, so something I really think that, you know. It blew up the, well.
But him did have at first though, you know, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, because
I
expect the man breaking out some tears and I say, and some people take advantage of him.
Yeah, man.
You know what I mean?
You know, this is going to sound cool, but me listening, and because you know, my fundamental methodology is to respect all caller until you see what come out of the call, right? Because we don't know, we talk about it all the time. Enough time some call come in and we don't even anticipate what the call is going to end up, no. That's why we don't even look on the wall, you know. Sometimes some call come in and people are talking, but cut off that product, cut off. Yeah. I know them run the show. And before you know it, the call end up shot, don't it? Really? And whatever. So we never really commit either way and whatever. But just I say, I'm going to ask some question and thing. And after asking the question and whatever, I'm not really convinced. But some people believe it's a real thing. You know? Some people them get heated and whatever. And
a bag of people running, man.
Yeah, and I go on.
I tell you right away. Me, they out a lunchroom and a bag of people are pass all the building.
And
be a commotion, me hear. Come on, a chuck, me hear. Run. A chuck pass. You say, yo, them people are serious.
No, I don't know. I could be wrong, but I feel say nothing of us. I feel say nothing of us. I feel say.
In the convincing at first, though, but as him start talk.
Yeah.
And our feelings, we say.
I'm going to tell you that all the while. So the devil is always in the details. The devil is always in the details.
Oh, my tag. And
one way for always find out a liar. You start ask them details about the thing and watch how them flow. And watch if there's consistency between variables and what them bring up.
And him not even the answer to everything. So, yeah, man, you know?
Yeah.
Never the answer straight, man.
They're conveniently generalized with certain response. You see, when something really happens to you, people just flip back with specifics. No, them always get specifics.
Yeah.
Them just say, well, this and that. Them always answer you with specifics. And them not each. And them each several times. Whatever. Some are really too. But the counsel in me, there's a part of the counsel in me where say, don't jump to conclusion because you don't know definitively. And if something like that, really happen to somebody, it would be highly insensitive for you to, go respond certain way. But just my take, I believe it's a real thing. I believe it's a real thing. I think him just call, if he just make himself a star. Yeah. And in doing so, him disrespect the thing straight, I'm going to join that. I we say mix up, we say entertainment. And if you call back, I'm going to call upon them level,
Can remember people voice.
Yeah, I'm not really depend on it. To the phone line, we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yes, Miss Thelma, how are you?
Good evening, Mr. Stewart.
Okay, Miss Thelma, pull away the phone a little bit from your mouth, here.
Whatever you punishing me.
Okay, I'm not punishing you, Miss Thelma. How you doing?
You're punishing me long.
Okay.
I'm going to send the bill to you.
Okay, Miss Thelma.
Anyway, good afternoon, Mr. Stewart.
Yes.
How are you?
I am doing well, Miss Thelma.
I know. You do have to tell me. I know that fully well.
Okay.
And first of all, good evening to my lovely sister Ruth.
Yes.
Yes. First of all, I must tell you that I was listening to another program,
Yes.
And the two callers highly esteem your program and that program,
Two callers what?
Two callers and that program and that station.
Yes.
Spoke up about you highly.
Highly?
Yeah. Highly. H-I-G-L-Y.
Okay. Oh, really? Okay. Well, I am very thankful for that.
Yes, and if the moderator, was in accordance to some of what she said,
Okay then.
Anyway,
yes.
Me doing the mix-up so much,
Yes, Miss Thelma.
But, I love to laugh, exercise the art,
Right, Miss Thelma.
So I just had to give this little joke, you see?
All right, Miss Thelma.
Will you appreciate it?
Yes, Miss Thelma.
One early morning, a pastor was passing a rum bar.
Yes.
And shop. And we looking, they saw two men in there drinking.
Yes.
And he went to the doorway and beckoned to one of them to come to him.
Yes.
When the man came, he said, "No, is that you're drinking? Stop. This is some drinking it. You're going to kill you or no?"
Uh-huh.
The man said, "Pastor, you tell me, say. So I'm a little boy until me a big old man, no me a drink rum and he never kill me. Then how to go kill me? If you tell me how to go kill me, me will willingly stop from drinking it."
Yes, Mr.
So the pastor said, "All right, go back in. Bring 2 glasses. Fill one with rum and one with water."
Mm-hmm.
The man did carry 2 glasses, come to him and hand it to him. The pastor bent down and pick up 2 worms, put one in the rum and one in the glass of water.
Mm-hmm.
And he hold it up and said, "Now look at these 2 glasses. What do you discover?" The man said, "Lord, that's what you are talking about, Pastor. For the one with the worm, with the one with the rum, him dead, But the one with the water, him still alive."
Mm-hmm.
But you know what, Pastor? Make me tell you something. Me have a whole heap of worm in me. And you see, like when me see the rum kill the worm there, I know me I go drink the rum. Because if you kill out all the worm out of me.
Yes, Miss Thelma, I remember this joke. You actually tell me about 4 years ago, madam, I tell you, say it's still shot, Miss Thelma. When the man, she said the rum kill the worm, And the pastor used that as reason for the man start the man chat. No, me going to drink the rum.
Yes,
Then because
no, me going to drink the rum. Because
I have some worm in my belly. I see then need some fixing up and sit there. That's what they're very good, Mr.
Before you go to that little one, too.
Yes, Mr.
Because you keep me long waiting.
Okay, Mr.
A pastor was preaching one day. His topic was on rum, same on rum.
Yes, Mr.
And when he was preaching, he said, "Rums are very destroyed destroy the system, and these men was to plan drink the rum. But if I had the privilege, if I have the opportunity, I would get all the rum them and I would dump into a river." And after him start to preach now, and him said, "No, you hardly you rum drinkers, come up to the altar. Come, turn your life up to the Lord, because the Lord will soon come. And when he come, where will he find you?" One man run come there and say, Pastor, when he come, never run go the river, go get all the room you throw in the river.
Okay, Mr.
Have a good evening.
All right, Mr.
And you're set up pregnant, or you feel good while here?
Okay. No, man, I'm in touch with her, you know, and she's doing quite. Okay, well, you know, the mix-up thing, and, you know, Sister Peggy.
Yes, we do the mix-up, but you know, sometimes you give a little joke, you know.
Okay, Mr.
You're a man, laugh and go.
All right, Mr.
And, you know, my event is coming up.
Okay, your event, that is your birthday?
Yep.
Okay, Mr. What date is it again, Mr.?
The 6th of December.
The 6th of December, and you will be what, 86?
Hello?
And you'll be 86 years old?
Exactly. I will be 86 years young.
86 years young, Mr.
Like old people, like young people.
Okay. Mr. Emma, what you know about me?
Because like I've been with you, I must know about you.
No, but what you mean about me not like old people, me only like young people?
I don't say you hate them, you know, but you know you're more associated with the young because...
No, okay, but you talk like you know things about me.
No, I don't know nothing bad about you.
I never said anything bad.
I will know the good things about you.
Okay, then, Mr.
If you have anything bad, then I tell them to side, you know.
Okay, then.
And I forget. I always hear of my New Jersey people, I can never forget them.
Okay.
They're robbing right now.
There you go, Mr.
Yes.
All right.
I love you still.
I love you too, Miss Thelma. You
Okay.
take care. Okay. That's Miss Thelma right there. You know, I left we out for years and years. I know we give thanks. Okay, to the phone lines we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon, Raga.
Yes. Blessings.
Long time. I'm a credit I got a long time. It's our first time call. I never mix up to get a thing.
Okay. All right. Well, on the route, I got to take your number real quick. Give me a next caller in the meantime. The route. Yes. Good afternoon. Hello. 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 Okay. Yes, hello.
Raga?
Yes, hello. Yeah.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
First time caller, long time listener.
Brap.
Raga, I have a mix-up to give a lesbian mix-up.
Make we hear it.
Raga, I was one who long time ago.
Mm-hmm.
Long time. I've been through it. Anyway.
What you say? You was what? You were what?
I was one long time ago.
You were a lesbian long time ago?
Yes, man.
How long ago?
But from here 18 until about 23.
Okay. And you what? You know your 30s now also?
Flat 30s.
You're flat 30. Okay. So from 18 to 23 you were a lesbian and then you let it go. Okay. Talk up the things, eh?
Anyway, Raga.
Uh-huh.
Move on, go to St. Elizabeth and live with this girl and her mother.
Yeah.
The mother knows that she a hit, you know, but she never really knows that me a hit.
Right.
But anyway, when she find out now, it's like, we know the things. Anyway, the mother really get upset and say, we must come out and them. Something anyway, we're going to rent a room.
Well, the mother did catch you now do the things, eh?
She never catch you, Raga.
Okay.
Suspect.
She was suspect. And then telling us now to come out that place with them something.
Yes, she have to come out. So anyway, me move out.
Yeah.
And go look at one room and did it. Raga?
Yeah.
All if you know, so the mother come on me here with one piece of disgrace.
Yeah.
One piece of disgrace for me in the neighborhood, Raga. Anyway.
Well, she had done about the same thing, because she find out say you're lesbian, she come and cuss you and trace you. All right,
Anyway, then used to say, our daughter couldn't pregnant.
Yeah.
You understand? Because she flex like she a man.
Our daughter, okay.
So she have a Rasta friend now.
Yeah.
So we move on this and go for the Rasta friend yard.
Yeah.
Right, and did. Anyway, we start ganja tea morning time and then something there. You understand? Anyway, she get pregnant and then something there. Raga, one time me there, coaching, I work.
Yeah.
I meet up on one girl down there, one man royal girl, but her breast them big.
Yeah.
You understand? So anytime she step on top.
No, not going. Not going at them details that too much. Yeah.
It can't work out, Raga.
Okay.
Yeah. But they're so too big, so it can't manage.
All right then. Okay. So no top fishy.
No top fishy, Raga.
Because she would probably kill somebody.
You understand?
Right.
Move back by St. Elizabeth to my girlfriend now, Raga. One day me there me yard, only fishy see that move. She that move and come.
Yeah.
But anyway, Raga, cut apart. They may have one to tell about my sister. She live in a one.
Well, but what was the mix-up?
No, Raga, I'm just tell you something there one long time. I'm stop them something.
Okay.
But this is one a proper one now.
But your credit are done?
Yes, man, it are done.
But you don't have time for tell with it.
Why? I the car route of me all too long.
No, I know, sir. Just because so sure run here.
I choose still. But anyway, I'm glad to talk to you still, you know?
All right, blessings here.
Yes, to you and your people in the studio.
All right, then. Blessings and respect. You take care. Good. Here we go. Good afternoon. Hello.
Hello, Raga.
Yeah.
Me again.
Yeah, man. Yeah. So what you say I know? What you say I know?
Yeah, my dad, I have a 16-year-old niece there.
Yeah.
You hear me?
Yeah.
She just like man, you see me I say.
Yeah.
Move like man, burn weed, burn cigarette, drink liquor. She has 16, you know.
She has 16.
She has a town,
She has 16 and she move like man, burn weed and all them something.
Yeah.
Okay, and she dress like man.
Yeah.
Go on talk now.
She don't have town one day, what day? Now what day?
Yeah.
So I'm going to sell upon the road, you see me I say. And I trouble her. And I call and I tell her them, you know them things with them I call her.
Yeah.
You see me I say?
Yeah.
So she answer them and say, you're not right. You see me I say?
Right.
The girl say me thump in your face. So my niece and girl say, you can't thump me in my face.
Yeah.
You hear me I say?
Yeah.
So the girl say, all right, you go like you're a bad man, so. So I say to my niece, you know. And he just say, you know, like rape your mother and them things. You see me I say?
Right.
And she thump your niece in her face, no Raga.
She thump your niece in her face?
No, and thump your niece face, no Raga.
And then what happened?
Wait a Raga, man. So me then I was saying now, I go ask her there, so we working on the town, you know. I'm going to call me and say, yeah, you want me to eat over here, so. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
So when my next family, you know, run go cross. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
You see, you run go cross now. I'm here run go cross now. I'm saying I run go down the road.
Yeah.
So me never hesitate. Me never look for my needs, up for my needs. You see me, I say?
Yeah.
We just start program the girl run down the road.
Yeah.
So me take a bit of board off a cat now, Raga, and me get a chill out of the board.
So you grab it. So hold on, the one where I run go down the road, you program that one there, go so boom and get a piece of board off a cat and get a quarter dozen.
Yeah, quarter dozen Raga, and me see go down and come up back, Raga.
Yeah.
I'm just put her hand on my neck and my arm, Raga, with people and work the head.
And start work the head.
You see me, I say?
So crazy licks to the face right there, sir.
Crazy lick, I said, and police come, see what I say?
Yeah.
And I carry go up so now.
Yeah.
I carry when I city center now.
Yeah.
When me go up and I go cross, I will see the Raga, I go to my knees and blood up.
Yeah.
So me I say, my girl, I will stop my niece, sir. I mean, you have one last lesson of the police, Raga.
Well, now, you see your niece blood up, right?
Yeah, I'm head my face in front of the police.
The girl who blood up your niece?
Yes.
So you punch her in her face?
She in front of the police.
Yeah, and then what happened next?
Me need just come here and Raga. And so a big knife, you know, the knife where you use and cut yam, not going to sell yam.
Alright, well. We have to, we cut out that part there, so we have to fix it up here. So you said, so your niece come behind her and then use a knife and she leave the knife someplace for the girl, then, right?
Yes.
So the girl, so the girl end up have to go hospital right away then, right?
She admit.
Yeah, but most, man, because a lot.
My sister now, she know. She at my niece mother, I know, Raga.
Yeah.
Come now, you know. I say, I friend them, you know, that the girl, them, I friend them, you know. Because she need to live in a 1 year and this and that, and I do them things that them young days. So I say,
yeah.
So I kick her and say, she called me and I say, you can't see a pretty girl, but you talk about your friend, my girl.
Hold on. Them rush your niece, a 16-year-old girl, and then stabbing up, going and be things or whatever, and then your niece, mother, your sister come now, and I talk about say the woman them will rush her daughter, her friend them and rate.
Yeah.
So what she say? She not defend her daughter?
You don't defend the daughter, I defend the girl.
Why? But why you think she not pre the thing them with her? Why?
She a fool, Raga. Raga, you can't come to your opinion on blood. I have to say, I your friend, Raga.
I saw me with a thing. Give me a youth and me come to my pit in the blood of a could my friend them look come more them have to talk to me.
Talk more. All right, Raga, the girl in the hospital, you saw me a quarter.
And do her?
And she said, "Can you make agreement for certain money, you know?"
She said what?
She said, "Can you make agreement for certain money?"
For certain money, yeah.
Yeah, I seen a quarter. The girl give a bigger thing.
The girl move wicked for her.
Wicked for her in a quarter and different bigger money.
Oh. All right.
Yeah.
Hold on that part there, do I hear?
Yeah.
Hold on that part there, because you know your levels right there. So you see. If them a work out, I look a private arrangement and thing.
Yeah, but that say she with the girl with she.
Oh, see? Yeah, me hear what you say, but what I say is like something else I can work out. Them a try work out something, no?
Yeah, man, because the judge had for money to pay. The certain money which the girl asked her. So that money that pay.
Oh, okay. So why your niece there right now? Your niece still in a...
She come, man. She get bail.
She there road? Okay.
Yeah, she there at school, I know.
Okay. So your niece always I go through them things. The two should dress like man and look like man and people.
Yeah, man, she never go through them things there.
Okay. Yeah.
At school. And she not, as far as I'm just like she, you know, like that.
But tell me something, you think your niece, she have any lesbian? She have any lesbian? She have any
live with one place.
Hold on, she have any lesbian tendencies, you think?
No, I be a man she power.
Oh, well, sometimes that can be, it depends, you know. It depends on how she power with beer, man, you know. Because sometimes...
My sister, I said, no, my next sister, I said, she a man a day and woman a night.
Oh, so she do the things,
My sister, I said.
Oh, but careful, look. Because she just 16 and all them things there.
Yeah.
But, well, listen now, we have to work with her to find a way to deal with them things so she don't resort to violence and end up a war people and stab up people. Yeah, talk to me.
You know who we are talking, you know? Me live in a same here, the August town, 71 August town with my Raga.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Fraser be mother attack you.
A lie, for real?
Yeah.
All right, that's a word, man. That's a word.
I'm link you to, you know, but maybe we talk after years.
That's a word, man. That link them make already, man. That link them make already. We send something with
Lawrence.
No, we send something with Lawrence here.
You know there, man. We must send the downstairs like a big yard.
No, me know. Say him get bite certain way, but me I tell you, somebody did send something with Lawrence.
Well, he not get it, so me I got definitely attack.
No, that's hold on. It's about 2 months ago, do you know, so.
Lawrence could have gone to look for Lawrence and me don't hang up off of the phone, man. And down there me I come from.
I mean, you don't get it. Right?
Nah, tell the Raga, man.
Me send several $1,000 with Lawrence, man, for him become here.
Tell me, man. And Lawrence to me every day, you know. And I said nothing to me, you know.
Well, I give Lawrence money, man, come here, I reach him. I want Lawrence. I say, Lawrence, I work hard for my one, you know. I help people. I'm going to load up things and I help people. I'm going to tell Lawrence, I say, Lawrence, up, you know, playing my money, you know. I just do me can't go past certain ends. I'm going to care nobody. Me not care nobody want to say. I have a friend who happen to get in a trouble and gone to prison.
Me I go look see him as me hang up Raga straight.
Hold on. Hear me. Hold on. You don't deal with it. Here?
Yeah.
You don't deal with it. You don't deal with it. Come in, I believe a jail talk me again. Because I know, say, me and your baby father, the link there for a long time. And
yeah, and if I tell him
cooler, man. And him, I know the levels and whatever. I tell Lawrence, you know, I tell him, I say, listen, I don't load up certain things. And I just want to go so boom and peel the bar, certain things and rate it. Yeah. You understand? Yeah. So if Lawrence thinks him can go around me alone, me make a sad mistake. So there might be, hold on, there might be some misunderstanding or mistake. Don't worry yourself, let me deal with it, all right?
All right, anything else about it?
All right, we will link here.
Yeah, big up yourself.
Protection. Yeah, we will have a break. We soon juggle. Yeah, we have about 5 minutes left in our show. Yeah, 5 minutes left in our show. We're going to play back with Christmas Carol medley and sitting. We have about 5 minutes left in our show. 5 minutes. We have 5 minutes left in our. We try for sure we can. The bunks in a call. Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Yes, greetings.
Hello. Good day, Raga. The first time caller, long time listener.
All right, now say a word.
No, the man will just call and I invite you and them something there.
You see?
Because right now, me the wire come start me. I love you like that.
Now say a word, baby.
Yes,
right.
I'm big up to the woman who lives in a watch to go. We forget the food for the poor also and only get the bottom and can't get the top. I try to the pan.
What the Tambourine? We what's that one there again? Rinse that one there again. What you say?
Bring up to the lady. We forget the food for the poor also and can't get the top and get the bottom already. The cycle can't reach it up on the plane and it can't reach.
So she get the bottom but she can't get the top.
Yes, they say they put in concrete at the bottom but the top can't reach. And not like she. And I pay fried dumpling. She said go buy fried dumpling and gravy.
And she atters.
Yes, at Oman Raga.
And she said, well, big up the hot people, them what them say fried dumpling and gravy.
I love you, Raga, I love you.
All right, baby.
I'm big up to all around in the studio.
Long time here, princess.
All right, take care.
Blessings, it goes. Rinse our next caller, Senna. Hello. 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 Yo, greetings.
Hello?
Yes, greetings.
Even Raga?
Yeah.
I want to big up the man who checked the Viagra last week Friday.
Mm-hmm.
We sort out the girl.
Yeah.
And when him in the midst of sorting out the girl, when him finish,
yeah,
him stand tall, couldn't go down. Then put pillow on it couldn't go down.
Uh-huh.
Put sheet on it couldn't go down.
Uh-huh.
When them look Raga, him start blow shot.
Uh-huh.
So them end up with him in hospital.
Uh-huh.
Immediately up a machine.
Oh, Lord. Yo, you ever tell us something about some of them are running upon this Viagra thing and this Cialis thing and whatever it is and whatever it is. So what you say, I done him done right and running care.
Yes, Raga, instead of him saying one done the woman, him done himself.
Done himself, man. Hey, you know about China brush, right?
Yes, Raga.
One time, same place Augustown, one man did use too much China brush to an ambulance have to come for that, you know, man. When they might carry that up, I see a piece of tent there, they say, man. A tent, you know, man. A hell of a tent, you know. So when you say hospital have to reach, him could have dead.
Yes, Raga, me say him should have dead because I'm thinking can done, woman.
Yo, suppose me tell you something, no. You would be surprised how many men getting medical complications with this Viagra thing, you know. And I'm mostly the big man, them, you know, some 40s and 50-year-old man, you know.
Yes.
A regular thing are going out there. And unfortunately, you have to look at young boy, them I take the things them too.
But Raga, I'm a 30-year-old.
I'm a 30-year-old and I take Viagra.
And I take Viagra.
For what? And he probably don't need it, you know.
Raga, he want to prove himself.
See it there? And OD. All right, that's your word here.
But Raga, them are going like say them can't done woman. Some of the man them are going like say them can run house and then run the house and run the house.
Why like they can't run house and can't run house? Can't run round the house.
Yes,
Mad. Me like that talk. Me? That's why you see me tell any woman me and her involved with me say, listen now, we're going to enjoy this thing, but I have nothing to prove.
Yes, Rogareteru this.
Roteru, where I say, blessings and respect, man.
Yeah.
All right,
cool.
Yeah, man, I'm my style, that, you know. When we deal with something, we deal with it as best as we can. But me, I don't think for that dead off and anything for prove and all them things. Yeah, like some big heavy woman jump up on you, but then want to lift up. What kind of lift up? I have nothing to prove. Nothing to prove. Yeah, man, deal with it no, my woman. No, drop her. My need them. No, sometimes you hold it when you need them tired, you know, but whatever, you know. But no, sometimes you have to hold it when you need tired, may I tell you. No, you know my talk. I tell people all the while. Sometimes when my foot then tired, but go on like say whatever. I'm say over here for then over here. Like we are cut somewhere when I tired, my need them tired. Yeah, but apart from that, we have nothing to prove.